Hey, it's Sammy. On March 31st, we took 8 trades in the Dow today for 298 points. Last day of the quarter. Let's see what happened. You can see on our first trade here, we are breaking deviation 2. That's this yellow line heading down towards the negative 23.6 Fibonacci extension, as well as that S1 zone. We're working with momentum for speed, sentiment for follow through, and getting volatility to get this trade moving in the right direction. Now we are trading pre-market hours, so when we hit this third deviation band flat area here, we're going to lock 40 points. We're still trading pre-market hours, about an hour before the open. Now you can see that data has decayed and the short time frame data is going long right here. Now we're running back up through deviation, so we're kind of getting stuck right here at this first deviation, this red line. These are just standard deviations inside of the VWAP indicator, which are statistical and very, very powerful. That's why we use these levels. The trade is protected. The stop loss is in a small profit position, so it's basically a break-even trade if anything goes wrong. Now our value area low shifted, so we're actually going to go ahead and lock in 28 points right here as we're hitting. Now you can see the market went up. It almost hit that pink tracer there. That's our VWAP, the value weighted average price. It rejected. The sellers are still in control because we have that momentum. We have that alignment, that sentiment's coming back to play with the volatility break to the short side. We are coming through the first deviation here. We make sure we protect that trade so it's a zero risk trade at this point. Now as we're hitting that value area, we're going to go ahead and lock up 33 points. This is 5 minutes after the open. We're coming up through the volume point of control now. You can see all of that short data on the higher time frames has decayed or disappeared. We're working with short time frame momentum and sentiment to go up and take this long away from the volume point of control. Because we're trading so close to the open, you gotta put that stop loss into a break-even position in case anything happens. We quickly punch up here towards this green line and we're gonna lock 47 points. Now look at that, the market quickly is rolling back over. All of our algorithms are starting to fire here back to the short side. Look at all the data flip back over. This data works in real time. And as we're hitting this second deviation band here, it's all right. The market's going to go through to S1, but we're going to choose to lock in 57 points. All right, so we are now trying to break through the overnight high again here. So let's see what happens as we go through value area high and we're going through yesterday's low. You can see we have the trade protected. It is working this second deviation area right here. As we come back up to test it, we're actually going to go ahead and lock in 28 points. We're trying to go long here. You can see to the left, the longs have been failing here. So more than likely, we're at this 50% Fibonacci level. We're probably going to have some kind of corrective action. We're going to set that stop loss to break even in case anything happens. Watch how fast after this break even, our algo fires, our signature soda reversal fires, and we enter this short based on short time frame. This data is in real time and just plows right down to lock in 65 points.